To replace a door or drawer handle mounting post on this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a 2.5mm Allen wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. If replacing a refrigerator door handle mounting post, open the appropriate door and use the 2.5mm Allen wrench to loosen the set screw, securing the top of the handle. If replacing a freezer drawer handle post, use the wrench to loosen the set screw securing the right side of the handle. Once loosened, you can lift the refrigerator door handle up to remove, and shift the freezer drawer handle to the right to detach. Now use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the old mounting post, if still intact. To install the new handle mounting post, thread it into the door or drawer and tighten using the Phillips head screwdriver. Replace the refrigerator door handle by aligning it on the lower mounting post, then shift the handle down and align it on the upper post. Replace the freezer drawer handle by aligning it on the left mounting post, then shift the handle to the left and align it on the right post. Tighten the set screw to secure the handle.